Well, good morning, everyone. It's a nice, beautiful 8 o'clock August morning, August 10th. Yesterday I started working on the truck here. I did a little work off camera. I had a lot of just crap to deal with, and I didn't want to bore you guys with removing the core support. Yeah, man, I didn't realize how much of a rat's nest I had. I'm gonna be redoing some wiring and getting rid of some stuff and tucking some wires and whatnot and blah blah blah. But I'm getting ahead of myself. So last time when we did the Cummins swap on this, we removed the core support. Some of my friends were like, "Why do you do so much extra work?" Blah blah blah. It really didn't take me that long to get this out. I don't have any air conditioning yet, so I didn't have to deal with any of that. But it really is just a few bolts, or a few screws, a couple bolts. Comes right out, and look at this. I can get right here into the engine bay. Debating on putting my pop top up, but the sun's gonna go back that way for a little bit here in a bit. But anyways, so yeah, I got the core support out. Wasn't too bad. This is actually gonna go in the back of the truck. This bumper, I'm gonna scoot back there. And as you can see, I did a little bit of cleaning and stuff in here. I putting things away and rearranging stuff. All right, ran down to Napa and got some shackles for this chain I got. It's gonna be a little tight. We're gonna scrape a little bit there, but that's okay. We're gonna come up. We'll get the motor mounts out, and then once we get the rest of the bolts out, we'll pull the motor forward. To basically forward or come backwards, up a little bit, and just keep working your way, and eventually it comes up. So anyways, I've got all the bolts cracked. I was able to get most of them from just up here. So yeah, anyways, we got our lift points here. I got some shackles, pretty heavy duty ones. Well, as heavy duty as I can to fit this chain. And because it was using where is it? This hook. I didn't trust that, and you're not supposed to hoist or lift with those anyways. So we've got shackles this time on some chain. I'm gonna get a new chain for this here in a little bit and get a different, I want something that'll swivel right here. So I'm gonna make some modifications to this. Got this from a friend that was trying to get rid of it. I was at a shop, was just taking up room and doesn't use it anymore, and I got it for 50 bucks. So yeah. And this is why you take the bumper off and the core support, and you got all this room. You can get right in here, and you don't have to have this on such a, long throw. Right now I got it on the 2-ton, so we're on the shortest throw. Almost got it. Right now I'm wearing a white shirt, and we're working on a diesel engine. This is a work shirt. Okay, there we go. Well, that one surprisingly held up. It didn't come loose or anything. Yeah, this one's still intact. That's surprising. There we go. Yeah, this motor mount held up. See, I filled this all up with polyurethane. This is all you need to do. It keeps those rubber mounts from breaking. Yeah, we'll get another mount and do the same thing. We'll put new rubber mounts in, but fill them all with poly. Okay, all the transmission bolts are out. Engine mounts are out. I'm going to go ahead and lift up on this a little bit and just pull it back. I feel so much safer with these shackles. Okay, we gotta get a picture for the Facebook. Now I need my other jack to get that up off the floor. Yeah! She's out! Woo! Hey, total time really took me about an hour. An hour or less. Okay, let's get our kitty attractant. Actually, my cat's pretty good about not drinking coolant. Simon was like, ooh, this is good. Yeah, we didn't mess it up too much. Be interested to see what my clutch looks like. I don't know where my container is. And I'm gonna set my bolts right here. We'll go into crisscross. That flywheel looks pretty sketchy. Let's put a love glove on this right now. Yeah, got some heat cracks there. I hope they're not too deep because I think I'm gonna take this down to Napa and see if they can cut that. Oh. Well, it's a good thing we pulled this because that was just about to start eating my shaft there. That's not good. That bearing's toast. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. She's smoked. You gotta be careful, this is really heavy too. Come on. Oh, jeez. Oh. Jeez. Who put these on? Oh, I did. It's the wrong angle. You know, this was not that bad pulling this engine out. I mostly worked from the top. I was on the bottom for like maybe 5 minutes. And we have a little hose here stuck to it. We'll just drag that right off. Here's our adapter plate. Oh yeah, let's go get a little baggie hardware in. Alright, let's shed some weight, shall we? Got a cardboard box under here in case we drip. I'm trying not to make too much of a mess of the floor here. You'll have to excuse the noise of the fan. I got the door kind of shut, so we got some of the outside noise kind of blocked off. And to kind of change the lighting for the camera, I think what I want to do is get this pulley and fan bracket off. Get this off, get this off. We'll see if we can dig this out. And I got some Allen bits, maybe we can get in there and try and knock that out. Because we'll need that anyways. I need to get another fan and mount it up on my workbench here. This chunk right here, it's like 10 pounds right there. Okay, ejectors are out. That was a 15/16. I think what we'll do is we'll start in the center. A little quick link. Actually, does it really matter? Pretty sure this is a head bolt. That's a head bolt. Okay, so this here also holds this guy on. So it should release. I'll start from the center and just work my way out. Whew. Oh, these are new. Alright, this is the moment of truth. Let's see what we got going on in the engine. Oh, there we go. Thunk. Oh, I did snap one bolt. It was a little spongy feeling. And I was like, well, I got a new head, so not too worried about it. Oh. Is that stop leak? I'm gonna turn the camera off a little, let you guys cool off. See that in there? It looks like some rust or something at one point, but look at that. That stuff down there. What is that? Look at that. Did someone put stop leak in it? That's what it looks like right here. Or this stuff right here. What the fuck is that? And there you go. You're done. Now the pump will be locked to this setting, so all we got to do is get it back where it came from. And in this case, we moved just a tiny bit, but it just needs to be lined up with the F. So that's all that matters. Down off of there. Yeah, this gear will be fine. Here's the injection front. Got this in case we got any fluids that want to come out. Get this water neck here off next. Oh, there's some oil. We can rotate the engine and start working on the bottom end. Oh, I see. The cooler has its own housing of coolant. I see. That's a tiny one. Not too bad. Okay. It's starting to come out now. There we go. Yeah, not too bad. Everything's still good. Take the pin out. Let's see, how much more of a mess do you think we're going to make here? Well, that was easy. Material is left in the pan. really nothing there. Get the oil pickup tube off. Oh, those are pretty good. Woo! These I don't know if you're supposed to replace, but we're gonna find out. Alright, let's see what our main bearing looks like. Cap looks okay. So these have a, this is kind of offset to the right. I'll just get a nice, let's see what our bearing looks like. It wasn't too bad. It's starting to get kind of wore through on this side. Let's take a piston out. That was easy. Yeah, we're wearing into the copper. Yeah. Time for a rebuild. And I don't know if this is from me taking out, but it's got a little bit of scoring right there. But this piston looks really good. Cummins. Okay, I see how the wrist pin works, which feels good. The piston, the wrist pin rides in the piston and the rod in there. Okay, cool. I'm gonna knock out the rest of the pistons, get this front end off here, and I'll come back with a show and tell for you. Alright guys, that's gonna be enough for today. Got everything is in order the way it came out. These push rods I thought were bad, but I think that's just how they look on the end. I'm looking at this ridge right here. It looked messed up, but the actual ball of it is in pretty good shape. So I think I'm gonna reuse my push rods. The tappets looked okay. I don't see anything wrong there. The camshaft, get out there, is in really good shape as far as I can tell. This looks like it only has 2 cam bearings. It has one here, and I don't know if that's wore out or if that's just how the color of it is. It's equal all the way around, and I think it's the same for the other one back there, but the rest of it just rides in the block. This turns really nice and smooth. I might crack one of these loose and see what the main bearings look like, but for right now I'm going to leave this crankshaft in here because it's so heavy. We're going to leave it in here, and then when we're ready to take it to get polished and have this block machine, I'm going to build a little crate that this is going to sit in, and I'm going to kind of shim it up so that the crank is equally supported all the way across. And I didn't see any problems with the pistons. They actually look really good. We could probably just put new rings on that, new bearings, and then you know, slap that back in there. I could just hone the cylinders on if I really wanted to. You know, that just hone the cylinders, pressure wash this whole thing, get all the gook off. With the way the crank looks, I don't even think you'd need to polish it. I think you could just slap new bearings on and call it a day. But I really want to have a machine shop polish them out, just so they're a nice, fresh, clean surface for new bearings. You know, and check and make sure they're not out of round and stuff like that. yep, that's pretty much it. It's time to eat. I'm hungry and I think I'm ready for a drink. I'm pretty much done here. It's all I can do now. Yep. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. I don't know when that one's gonna come out because I gotta get a quote from my machine shop how much it's gonna cost me to get this machined. That'll be the first step, is getting this machined, and then once that's done, then I can start ordering parts like pistons and whatnot, and then find out what bearings I need and stuff. But otherwise, most of our top end is still good. These tappets are fine. Ooh, maybe not that one. We might need to order a tappet. I didn't notice that when I took it out. Well, let's investigate. Looks like that had some rust on it, so that was the back of the engine. We have 1, 2, and then... Okay, we're on that lobe right there. I don't want to have to buy a crankshaft. Oh yeah, it's got a little bit of a munchie on it. I wonder how long it's been like that. Okay, looks like we're gonna have to do some cam stuff. Great. Yeah, I don't like that. That's not good. Maybe I'll just buy all new tappets. All new tappets, and then I think I'll just send this off somewhere and have them do a performance grind on it. Yeah. This is where a fuel pump rides on. It looks okay. Yeah, okay, we got some work to do. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.